Hey guys, Stuart Gould here, and welcome to this video. Thanks for joining me today. What I'm going to be talking about is how to use the free Divi website page layouts. Now this is great for those beginners out there or those that are designing a website but they want to do it quick. You can use Divi's pre-made layouts. There's over 80 of them, where you can create pages, your entire website with these layouts, and then you can customize these layouts. They're very cool, they're very responsive, they're all very unique. So let's jump straight into it, and I'm going to show you how to find these layouts and how to use them. Okay, so this is my WordPress backend, and as you can see, I've recently installed Divi. So if we navigate down to Divi Theme Options, I've recently installed the Divi theme. Okay, so what we want to do is I'm going to work on the front end today because I believe that's the easiest, especially for beginners. So if you pop up and navigate to the top, this is my website, SG Tutorials, Stuart Gould Tutorials. So if you pop down and click Visit Site, this is what my website currently looks like. Okay, it's just a standard view when you install Divi, and I haven't made any edits or anything just yet. So let's get straight into it. If I go back to Dashboard and I go down to Pages, to Add New, what I'm going to do is add some pages. Okay, now I've recently installed the new WordPress and the latest update for Divi, so this is the new backend. Okay, you've got the option to use the default editor or to use the Divi Builder. Okay, now what I recommend you doing if you've just installed the new Divi update and Gutenberg WordPress update 5.0, then pop down to your Divi settings, theme options. If you navigate along to Builder and you go Advanced, if you come across here, you'll see Enable the latest Divi Builder experience and Enable Classic Builder. Okay, you want to enable both of these. That means you can make the most out of the new Divi building experience. Okay, so once that's done, click Save Changes down below. And what we'll do is we'll navigate back to Pages, Add New. Now as you can see, it's back to the standard, the most recent kind of backend WordPress backend editor, classic editor. Now what we want to do is use the Divi Builder. But first of all, I'm going to add a page. I'm going to go, let's say, services. Okay, and let's publish this page. And then we'll add one more page. And let's call this page, let's go contact page. Contact us. Okay, and we'll move over to publish. Now let's jump onto the front end and start working with some of the layouts. So if you pop up to Visit Site, now this is my site, what it currently looks like. As you can see, I've got the home page, contact us, sample page, and services. So the services and the contact page are the two pages I've just created. Now let's go to the services page over here. And as you can see, there's nothing there because I haven't made any edits. Now if you pop up here to Enable Visual Builder, it's going to bring you to the Divi Builder. Okay. Now you can choose to build from scratch, or you can choose the pre-made layouts, or you can clone an existing page. But what we're going to focus on today is choosing a pre-made layout. So if you navigate down to Browse Layouts, and the cool thing about Divi is you've got the option to choose from, oh look, it's 91 layout packs now available. That's unbelievable. oh sorry, no, 682 total layouts. So that's incredible. So you have a huge range to select from. If you navigate over to the left bar, you'll see all the different categories. Okay, and if you select, say, art and design, it's going to pop up with art and design layouts. Now, what are we going to do? Let's look at business. So if I click out of that and I click business, these are the packs. So let's go with design agency. Okay, if I click design agency, it's going to pop up with the examples, with what the pack includes. We've got the about page, a blogging page, case study, contact page. See, this is what I mean. You can choose these layouts and you can select the pages that you like and you can start working with them. So I'm going to view the live demo before I use this layout. So let's view the live demo of, let's go the about page. View live demo. And it's just loading. So design agency about page. Okay, and this is an example of what it's going to look like. See, very streamlined, extremely responsive and professional, very modern. It's got a video widget there. And I like how we call it the animation works. As you go down, as you navigate down, the images pop out at you. Again, you can click this and it will expand. Click out of that, pop down. So I really like the look of this page. This is pretty cool. So if we go back to the top, I do like the look of that, but it is an about page and I want a service page. So I'm going to exit this and pop back here. I'm not going to use this layout. I'm going to navigate back to all the pre-made layouts and I'm going to look for a service page. So let's see. Let's go agency layout pack. Okay, I'm going to click this. And if we come down here, again, no service, so I'll go back. And let's find one that has a service page. Okay, let's go web agency. Aha, here we go. So they've got a service page. So I'm going to click service page. And that's going to pop up with the example of the service page. Now I can choose to view the live demo, or I can just view it on this page. I like the look of that. So I'm going to click use this layout. And what it's going to do, it's going to import this layout to your site. It takes a couple of seconds max. Okay, so we'll let that work, saved, and here we go. It's going to load onto my website, and there we go. Just like that. Now if we scroll down, this is the pre-made layout, digital agency. Very cool. Now the awesome thing about these layouts is you can change everything. Okay, you can change these little symbols up the top here. You can change the text, the font, the size. You can change the sections. As you can see, we've got 3 sections across here. You can change nearly anything. You can upload different background images. You can change the way this button looks, the colors, the navigation, the way it moves, the animation, sorry. And if we come back up to the top, I really like that. It's very cool. You can change all the colors and everything else in between. So there you go. There is how you install, that is how you install pre-made layouts and upload them onto your site, and you can change them. So if we want to quickly change, you can actually just click between the letters and you can delete this. So maybe I just want services. The text here could be welcome to our services. And again, you can change the media, the icon. So let's change the icon to something else. Let's get rid of this. and let's go to use icon, and again you can change this if we navigate down to say a key or a phone, and then you can change the colors. So if we go to design, we go image icon, and we can change the color. Okay, so that is super cool, and you click save, and then if you want to save the changes you've made, you pop down to save down here. And there we have it. So that's how you create a page, how you upload a existing layout, and you can edit all these layouts. So it's extremely customizable, very appropriate for beginners that aren't too sure how to design a website. They don't have much of a design background. You can use these pre-made layouts, and then you can adjust them to make it suit and resonate with what you're all about or what your business is all about. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.